He even called us mad people. Naminia, obi kasa wa bodam na wa modam ankyere na. Ebe de wa mudam no ni wait. And to watch no, the Igbo King must go demonstration no. Mumba munyeshe.
Ye wo mia menyini ene bu be ma ne to metrim se hoho oni abekwai. So ye hoho wo bi man so asempa ne ye kan anka wo ko no tum. Nanso enye Igbo King David Igbo King de emse ne nan ejina bibi so obai pa wa prepare ye ama Ghana for na prepare no prepare no Ghana for bis a prepare se osia ombetwa me no ka se Afia Schwar nigga ene Igbo man abe clash one na yere efa interview a enu achi ombe ye na no be kan bi kira Ghana for Afia Schwar abe reply ese ne mo ya hantan se a hantan homa so ne dwa de ahye mo sa atare na mo you must go aha Penyah block media mesra se ne di mo obe like video no ada mo subscribe button so be kere notification kono latest update na be kere wa dwen de ama me e wo comment section so ba so a no ahye do for so anya bi ahye etedim say Igbo man no asem no enya ntwaye elas e wo trend ni mu the latest home e Hassan Ayalaga be kere on the 14th of July 2025 we no na midnight and a pop up on the internet. They said this Igbo man, you know, he's been arrested. What I say? Emma that night it was alleged. I said the man is being arrested. It are there change the number 15 July and on Good Evening Ghana so no. Hassan Ayarga APC flag bearer any power much equate this particular interview. It's the honor and Hassan editums you are not trying to make it the arrest of this Igbo man.
So we are taking his word again.
So is he being released on bail?
Yes, this afternoon he complained of high BP.
In the cell?
In the cells. And said his BP has gone up. You know, yesterday when he was invited, he went there with the ambassador. Nigeria.
Ambassador of what?
Nigeria.
Nigeria's ambassador to Ghana.
Nigeria ambassador to Ghana. He went there with his lawyers and all that, thinking that it was the ordinary citizens, what do you call it, NIB or National Investigation, National Security who just listen to him and ask him to walk away. This is not that national security you're thinking of. This is a different national security altogether. They will investigate. As a citizen of Ghana, when you send a petition, they will have to listen to your petition. And let me be
So what report did you give to the police?
You remember when this incident happened? I wrote to the NIB and the National Security, telling them to, and then Lands Commission and all that, to investigate into the matter and to strip him of the title King. He cannot be comparing himself to Asantehene and all that. And funny enough, this King, or whatever we call himself, finds his way of dining with NDC and MPP. If I say tomorrow there's a demonstration, you will see the number of people who come out to support this demonstration against our politicians who are allowing it. Look, like I said, our forefathers toiled for this nation. They died for this nation. Our current politicians, what are we doing? We're selling out the nation for peanuts. Everybody is welcome in Ghana. Look, you remember in the last parliament, 2 parliaments ago, when I went to parliament, the issue of the U.S. military base in Ghana.
Yes, yes.
And I fought against it. I said, I will not accept the U.S. military base in Ghana. What happened? It looks as if our leaders do not have foresight of defending our nation. They are more particular about what comes into their pocket than what they should defend.
So why did the police arrest him? And for what? Why did they keep him overnight? What was the charge?
The charge was that, first of all, he's calling himself a king in Ghana when he's not a citizen of this country. Parading around and going around everywhere and calling himself the king of Ghana, and the king of Igbo. Igbos don't have king in Ghana. When you're a foreigner and you're a settler, you come to this country. Our constitutions allow you to be called a chief of your community. So all the settlers in Ghana, like the Yoruba, they have a Yoruba chief, the Hausas, they have a chief, the Zambarama chief. That is fine. We can give you that title to be able to be managing yourself. But when you begin to, parade yourself, call yourself like Asantehene and all these other kings in Ghana, and you be walking when you are not a citizen and say you are a king, and you are going to acquire tracts of land and build a kingdom.
Did he acquire the land?
That is his problem. Whether he did or he did not, he's voiced it out that he has. And the videos are there.
Now Hassan Ayalaga this interview away, you know. Ana Niamwa Okromansa, our spokesperson to the Igbo man in Ghana Hanom. Echo Facebook and making some set of posts. The first post or try say, Dr. Hassan Ayariga, you say waiting. Tomorrow morning sharp. You go hear him loud in your speakers. Just say, Hassan, and so when I okay, what the Ade channel pa? Ade channel pa, obete no wasum. Who speak him? Obete. Why? Obete. And was making another post. And a post in a press statement said that didn't come mudi. And I say, or they a home statement ever to Facebook. And what say, our attention has been drawn to unsubstantiated claims made by Dr. Hassan Ayaliga, leader of APC, All People's Congress, during his appearance on Metro TV's Good Evening Ghana on July 15, 2025. The Eze Igbo Palace wishes to categorically refuse all the allegations directed at Eze Jude Chukwudi Ihenetu, the paramount chief of the Igbo community in Ghana. These claims are baseless and deeply regrettable. Dr. Ayaliga's insinuation of illegal activities, including prostitution, are deeply unfortunate. We respectfully urge Dr. Ayaliga to provide immediate proof or evidence to substantiate these serious accusations against the Igbo leader. Let's go say, if someone has an Ayaliga say, oh, Papa, you know, human trafficking or the nipa of anybody free Nigeria don't buy Ghana about a show, any other social vice I say, Papa, and a lead air course our Ghana have no. Neo Chromatic to himself has an Ayaliga on your ready say or they, you know, of evidence to prove only by back or be assembly like a conde. A ya better the court case. And what he Anna Eze Chukwudi Jude Ehenetu. Yet the Igbo King in Ghana or no can be a press conference. And then also a reply Hassan Ayaliga. Any Ghana for is Omu Ekika and Simbi Etens I Nigeria for air bokro no Ghana ha Omu dear who air basabasa ye SS and no Ghana Hanum. Papa I reply Omunina.
Interview with Hassan Ayaliga, who was also painting black of my name. I want to let him know that a leader does not talk like that. You cannot say anything that you have no evidence of it. When you are talking to public, say what is real and don't paint somebody wrongly. It is so cheap for him to put his mouth to say, I'm a human trafficker. But I want him to put those things, his evidence together, and the time will come, he will let me know how he's saying that I'm a human trafficker. If indeed he have the qualities to be a president of a nation, this alone has disqualified him because it's the wrong information and you are giving the youth of the nation wrong emotional torture information for them to rise against your fellow African brothers. We are all travelers. I believe he's also lived abroad. If somebody raised allegation for him like that abroad, will he exist there? He cannot exist there. So my brother, yes, and Ayariga, be careful of your trances when you are in public against your fellow human being. But I leave you for God. Thank you.
Okay, so as also say thank you for the people of Ghana, host nation, that accommodate us to live and dwell and do business in Ghana. I also want to say a big thank you to Ghana Traditional Council that recognize the Igbo throne, the Igbo diaspora throne in Ghana. I'll take you back a little bit. I did not make myself the Igbo chief. The controversy that is spreading around the world on the internet that had to do with the video that I made in 2013 as the chairman of the Igbo community has spoken was as a result of trade issue that Nigerians were having then with Ghana Trade Union, GOTA, from 2012 to 2013 thereabout, when the GOTA asked Nigerians to leave their local market, as the trade law established that foreigners are not supposed to be in a retail market, in a retail goods in the local market. Now, as of that time, we had a lot of in and out of meetings with the trade ministry. I can remember a couple of our meetings, some level of advice is given to us that for we to go and build a mall that can accommodate us there, so that we'll be able to get ourselves out from this misunderstanding with the Ghana Trade Union. The idea of developing Igbo village as a business hub area. We discussed this with him, and the king was very happy for such and giving wrong information. That's one. Two, the same people also trying to create misunderstanding between the two nations, Ghana and Nigeria, because of pew notes they are making from internet because their followers, without thinking the consequences of what they are doing, that this is enough to destroy image of a country, is enough to cause problem, is enough to cause xenophobia. If you look at the internet, there's so many AI videos against me. Some people will say I'm on the run. Some people will say I'm building a kingdom. I want to destroy Ghana. I want to rule Ghana. I want to, put Ghana in my pocket. Who am I to do this? Put Ghana in my pocket. Who am I to do this? And this is 100% mischievous. If they understand what they are doing, as we live in Ghana, doing our businesses, have our house where we live, we will not take the properties home. It's already built in Ghana. It's also part of development. And we have businesses. We will not be part of anything that will destroy. Anything that will destroy the nation come through us. That means our businesses, our properties will also be destroyed. A progressive man protects what belongs to him. A progressive man protects even ordinary of his pencil. In our various homes, when you buy a pencil, give to your children. This is yours, this is yours. Sometimes they write their names on the pencil. If the other person take the pencil, the other one get angry because they're taking his pencil. How much more we that have businesses? So I want to let the world know that every stories they are putting out there is not a real story. Thank God you will hear from that video clearly that is the village we are talking about. That was vision since 12 years ago. So there's no existence of such. Then, remember, I also married a Ghanaian for 28 years with 5 biological children, adopted children that are also Ghanaians. Where on earth you think that I will be a part of destruction or a part of uncomfortable for the host nation when I have my seed here, being my children? They're Ghanaians, and they're also Nigerians, but the first identity of them are Ghanaians. I felt so bad when some bloggers will be saying that Igbos should go, asking for followers. Then you want to destroy somebody's image. I want to use the opportunity to tell the youth of Ghana, allow yourself to be used by a mischiever who is touching the emotions of the people for them to go into destruction over Nigerians' property. Why you are, if at all you go in to do that, while you are doing that, he'll be taking the footage of what you are doing to put also in his platform. I'm not giving my money, and you are there to destroy. So please, the youth of Ghana, I plead with you people not to engage yourself in this kind of situation that somebody is provoking you to get into that. Ghana is a peaceful nation. And as long as I am concerned, I remain loyal to this country, Ghana, and the entire Igbos in Ghana. We are submissive to the authority of this nation. I also want to say apologies to His Excellency John Dramani Mahama about internet-generated stories, AI. So I want to assure you people, don't panic. The government of Ghana, they are in control of the security of us, the Nigerians that live in Ghana. There is no cause for alarm. Thank you. They didn't invite me for any, no letter was sent to me, no invitation was given to me, and they've also realized the land was not acquired. So that's it. And
Emma and yere liberty as Rebuttals so
from Nana Ekuatatwa the first. Me infantini me February Central Region. Me yempuntunyiwa ewo. Me kruyen Igbo chief. Ne yere yem. Ya war for 28 years. Me wa maframa 5. Maframa 5 won yina so wo kroyem. Ma oro kodo wo social media no na mpeda meka ho asam kakra. Mokun nyana kasa no si no hoyen. Na krofo no wo choosing de onye kenzifo. No nzi won anyim. Ekro bia ekodo a na enhu kromfo a wo yi nipa kro obezi won anyim na wabo ahon. Na nyama oro kodo wo social media mokuna yede ni na onye no kwa. Ya war for 28 years. Ya won 5. Mama no nyina wo ti kro yimu. 2 at university. Ekro Legon, Ekro Central University. Me third born enter university this year. And Kakama 2, once wo gudo, work of Form 1. Enti me ya Ghana yi, ayana say what asem bia. Won twem benem, no bisa, no hu no color eden, owo. Na moro kodo no so say continue edema. Impuntu juma orumba kro yi mu. Because I had the man for why 100 open over crumbe bibi nature there. Yet the yan no cassa, yes, rich one a figana. It's a mesrim bebre. More codo, more bar, more than the maha, it being you are. Or ya no call. Nesso be super moi. I am a watch champ at Benin. Not we be say no massam. Yana was some of a won't be say no massam. But e kai na ya kan mama obi aso na so ate de fia ayeti bukun pa no ye Nigeria ofia nkafu nyina ya mfantefo asantefo na ogu fia wo ye djuma abosomoso a ye che hon kaw
na if ansem we na Dr. Ezechukwu Jude ehenet ebe kan ye ene de ne yere ebe kan ye ene de ni amu okromansan ye homo spokesperson ebe kan ye no ana Afia Schwar abamu bi na Afia Schwar lo chance se wiase ye ka ahomaso pa ne dwe ahomaso ahantan ene dwe a eye Igbo King one ne ye liberty omumienu omu ya ahomaso ahantan ene dwe na ohu hoho a wakwaji obi kuro aboso se the Igbo King Ghana Afia Schwar fans pe o kire ze Igbo fo Nigeria must go. Nigerians must leave Ghana. They must go.
Amwa okromansa ni dino no ni AMOHOKROMANSAH ni amwa okromansa onu na ye the plea of Igbo King no. And no, but Dr. Hassan Arega, you say waiting tomorrow morning you go hear him loud in your speakers. Therefore, Ghanaians, if they are still threatening, let him hear. Yeah, Mama Yamanenten loud. Pictures of Ghanaian chiefs claiming he's far gone. We should chase him if we can. This was posted 5 days ago. Ghana Traditional Council should stop behaving like they were already harboring hatred and jealousy over the Igbo leader in Ghana. You dine and wine with a man in the morning and you call him out on social media to make him look like a non-entity in the evening. Are you people serious? If I bore, I will drop only 2 pictures and 1 document. I swear. So we have to push them to drop the 2 pictures and 1 document. We need to push them to drop the 2 pictures and 1 document. We have to push them to drop the 2 pictures and 1. Maybe until tomorrow, Igbo King must go. So far as they did, he did the press conference today, and he felt so big to apologize to Ghanaians after calling us uncivilized and uncultured people. Honey, you people have, you see, you have to define uncivilized for the man tomorrow. Define the uncultured for the man tomorrow. What you say? Define the uncivilized and the uncultured behavior for the man tomorrow. He is full of pride, arrogance. He even called us mad people. Fellow Ghanaians, he even called us mad people. Naminia, obi kasawa bodam na wa modam man chirena. Ebe de wa mudam no ni wait. And what no, the Igbo King must go demonstration no mumba munyashe. He was giving bail, and now he has reduced himself from the Igbo King to the Igbo chief to the Igbo leader. But we are going to reduce him to national security. Yeah, you can't come to somebody's country to sell pirated cassettes and become king of the people. In our constitution, it's illegal. It's illegal. You can be a leader of some group of people. You cannot. The audacity, the fact that you are a Ghanaian, the fact that you are married to a Ghanaian and a citizen does not flaunt our laws. Like, it doesn't stop the constitution from being the constitution. No, the fact that you are married to a Ghanaian, the fact that you are paying bribes to our leaders because they. So the fact that you have 7 people in your pockets, the fact that you are feeding some group of people, it doesn't wipe away our constitution. You admitted to, if I drop 1 document and picture, honey, bribery is also a crime. You see the thing you did threaten, the thing that stupid guy is threatening. If I drop 1 picture and document, it, you know, you can pay bribe to somebody, but you can't also even come and talk about it. So I really don't know what you guys are into drop. But the whole thing is, if I bore and I drop only 2 pictures and 1 document, I swear hell will break loose. It's a crime, honey. It's a crime. We don't care who you bribed. You see, per our constitution, we really don't care who. You can bribe the president. The president cannot wipe the constitution. You understand? And you had the effrontery to call Ghanaians uncivilized, uncultured, and mad people. You've not retracted and apologized to such comments. I mean, nothing on this earth should warrant a human being to start insulting people that have given him place to sleep and a life to live. Oga, if Nigeria was so good, you would have been there and be a king there. And that's not what I'm saying. So tomorrow, the Igbo King demonstration, it is still on. The voice of the people is the voice of God. And now, no, the man is throwing his weight up. I don't care. Muntu, no. ono kwa de yentimi ne ntire promo o yentimi it's not about the Igbo village or it's about his self-entitlement and how he feels he can address Ghanaians, how he can speak to us. The audacity and the disrespect that he has showcased to Ghanaians in the past few days. No, we will not take it. We will not. I can't be here in America and the next thing I'm sitting on radio and TV calling black Americans or Americans in general names. When you go to Rome, you do what Romans do. I can't sit here and start calling Americans name or dictating for them. No, there be one chilling Shana Mama National. Well, I try demonstration, Mama disappointed me because Mama the money in the moon. Here we go. Mum can't my bear watching mum, now Mama Buffo and Cosso. Now Mama the money in the moon. I tell you, Yama bet me I can say scanny bottom. Mum can't my bear watching mum. Now Mum from a Buffo, you know, Uncle Siena. So, I tell Mama the money in the moon. I'm a president to where you has a where the neighbor, where the neighbor in the demo. I have patron, I have to win a demo. Mama the money in demo. What's that? What's me? We say, how are you? What would you do? What would you do? Aha. And now what? What would be that? Say, how are you? What would you do? What would you do? Analyze it. Aha, sir. This is the one would scenario. How are you now, Busan? And can you know? I know who the problem, but problem no other that. Today, how are you in the band? What a trigger problem. Mama the money, the Mama Nigeria Igbo King was again. And who said, when you find a transferred aggression, your boy Funi, no be a son fan call. Empty no. Mama, no, I will say, so what we tell I say, a mechano. Mekai was some way uncivilized, or some uncivilized, or some way uncivilized, uncultured. Mad people. Now, Mom, we are going to trophy in our mom. Yeah, disrespectful. No, China, you better say arrogancy, ever disrespect. In fact, arrogancy, need your penny and the disrespect. In 10 some, maybe I'm impressive body. You there, Monreal, I mean, also was now body or vanity and then a body. 12 centimeter. It was say, Ghanaians don't like development, mommy. Central region, no more develop area. Huh? Why are we here? Development. Now they see a comedy and see a bit comfort. Ghanaians should embrace development, madam. Igbo Queen was a Igbo chairman here. Yes, a comedy and tea a baby comfort a Diana. What develop away? What develop you? Who come what develop away? With your moisem, your mamma credit and no much awake. No my kuntai. Your mamma credit, no my kuntai, instead of times and no more better, and I'm okay. Oh, my bro, let's go. The James and no university, you know. Men so me Ashanti Queen Accra branch and mama me where. Na me fan bag made me hima. Now a crew every university na be every university. Me pa chow ne man we university ntino. Eze oba we university a yetimi su hine eze no. Me Ashanti Queen Accra branch na mama me hu ana US branch. Na me dem starting see me Paris. Mintin Kosi Park na so baby na me Paris bi engosi ho. Where's the man of university in Tabard?
And say, Milligan, I say, what's a sembia? No champagne, no bisa, no. You be sour, Nyansa Sembang. Madam, you be sour. Nyansa Sembang because who Nyansa Sembia and cow long face in can't finish a week way. Cabesha Kelly. Now, you knew you be sour. Soon come then. Oh, Namoro Cordono so say a continue the man. A put to Juma Orumba Croim. because I am a for I wanted to open the book room baby be let day. Yes, I am no casa. Yes, rich one if you gana. It's a mushroom bebre. More control, more balm, wasn't a maha. It pain you are. Or you no call. Next, will be super intention.
If I tell you, young to do more. I don't need a baby. Amayana. Arise Ghana youth. Ye yampu to do more. Ye happen to do what? Obi a waton cassette aye billionaire one eba be amaye. Obi a waton cassettes no more born you no come West village. Ah? Obi a waton cassette aye billionaire. Obi a wa pirate cassette aye billionaire. Na bacho me ofada de lumba. Enum nyina anya nkopo ono kwa West village ana. West village. Ehun fantafo. Ehun bi kom fantafo. The Mazia Mammy, and when I walk at there, Kawano Pado. Well, that Chimo de Marco baby and we here, because Mammy, why I Santini and Cabemi one, Mammy Uncle Igbo Chief Yiri and Koya Santinia, because a Santini bad in the best Siam. Akachen said the constitution is against it. When you call in your Bema Catcher, you went in there at so
Waiting some more Afia Schwar Abeka. What is your take on that? Ubet Matrawa Amame, comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media. Accra.